All right, this turned out really good. Wait until you see this. All right, check this out. Super frickin' subwoofer Dolly. So I got four 18-inch Yamaha subcabs, and I wanted one frickin' platform, one Dolly slash frickin' heavy duty everything. So I built it out of 2x4s, T25 screws, and a ton of frickin' Gorilla Glue. Every joint is glued and screwed. And I'm using 6 5-inch lockable casters on this thing. And I got a lip around here. Subwoofers will sit. You can put 2 of them on there, or you can put 4 of them on there. And I'm going to get some D-rings so you can strap them down. Are you following me? I'm not sure if I'm going to paint bedline this. I know I'll bedline the lip all the way around here, but I'm thinking about doing like carpet or rubber mat or something along those lines right here. And I made it a little bit thicker right here. Sorry, right here, just for that purpose. So if I wanted to put a rubber mat down or carpet or something like that, I have a little bit of extra space, but it won't affect the output of the the driver at all. But man, I tell you, this is one solid cuss. Heavy, heavy, heavy too. But that's what I wanted, because these are freaking monster subwoofers. 18-inch cabs. I mean, 4,000 watts program power in these things, 8,000 max. So I wanted something really freaking stout, and the cuts came out perfect. Used leveled, used a square, freaking double measured, and just took my time and didn't have to worry about any really major screw ups. I mean, just look at the cuts. Perfect. Every screw hole was pre-thought out. I pre-drilled. That's the other thing. All these T25 screws in here, instead of just boring down right into the wood and splitting it, I pre-drilled everything. And what that does is it keeps the wood from splintering. And it didn't. But I'm going to let the glue settle overnight. There's a gap right here in the middle I care less about, but it's still pretty damn even. Let's look on the underside here. I'll pull it up here. Oh my God, this thing's so heavy. I'll just set it just like that. But you can see I got the casters in there real good. And I offset them a little bit. So they that might oh, just a little bit off. That's okay. That should be fine. This way's fine. This way's fine. But no, that's no big deal. That's all right. Lesson learned. Never built one of these, right? So, yeah, this is a heavy ass frickin' duty cart. I mean, I'm gonna stand on it. Let's go for a ride, Beavis. No, butthead. Yeah, this is good shit, man. Good shit. That's just what the doctor ordered, right? So there you have it. I'm going to try to find some black D-rings for the corners so I can cargo strap them down. And if I need to gig, if I need 2 subwoofers, just put 2 of them on there. If I need 4, just stack them and then strap them down, right? So it's kind of a convertible or dual purpose, whatever you want to call that there. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll get rid of these. I'm going to reuse these 4-inch casters on the JBLs over here. I already made stands for these guys, but I didn't put a lip around them. Probably should have. I think I probably still could. But I just strap them. I mean, whatever. I'm going to use these on the JBL stands. So I got 8 of them, so no big deal. But these are 5-inch casters on this sucker. Heavy duty. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.